Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to find downloaded files on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you've downloaded a file but can't remember where it was saved, don't worry. Android provides a few different ways to find downloaded files. The easiest place to start is the Files app. You'll see it shown on my home screen here. This app isn't always easy to find. If you can't see it on your phone, you can quickly find it by tapping on the Google search bar and searching for files. Let's tap on the Files app to open it. You'll see in this app there's a section called Downloads. Let's tap on that to open it. You should now see files that have been downloaded to your device. You can scroll through this list to find the file you're looking for. And just like any file management system, you can tap on it to open it. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.